morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate, Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Today, our tidbit is going to share the secret to really taking advantage of this awesome market. Do you find it hilarious how the experts' tunes have changed between last year and this year? Fourth quarter last year, they were spouting doom and gloom. 2019 is going to be the slowdown. It's going to be the market change. We're going to have the cliff again, blah, 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 blah. And here we are, 2019, and just about every agent I've spoken to is having their best year ever. It's incredible. But I do want to provide a somewhat cautionary tale, because the secret to truly taking advantage of great markets is to save and prep for the downturn. I'm not saying the downturn is going to be coming anytime soon. I pray it doesn't. But this is the time where we make the extra money, have the extra sales. The prices of homes are incredible. Right now is when we need to save and invest as much as possible for the day the market does change. Fingers crossed, years from now. But you got to be prepared. Have an awesome day. So everybody, welcome to
Sound like a dental drill? Breathe.
Okay. What is that?
What the heck?
Oh God. Okay.
I love the gasp for air. Like.
Okay. Alright.
You're all wet. You sweat and crying.
My sleeves are wet from my tears. But someday the market will change.
This is why you don't make coffee at 7:16 in the night.